Cornwall's just a really cool place to study. It's just such a nice environment, especially for like this course.
The field trips are the best part.
You see everything from birds migrating to like just sand dunes at night. It's just absolutely life-changing.
I think the students go through a voyage of discovery very much. They go from, you know, feeling that everything that they need to know is in a textbook and feeling that it's all cut and dried, to actually appreciating that knowledge is a kind of an agreed on thing that everybody can contribute to. Zoology at Exeter involves getting a broad overview of the form and function of animal diversity. We focus a lot on organising principles so that the student not only gets a kind of feel for what types of animals are out there, but also, you know, how we understand how they function and what drives the diversity that we see across the animal kingdom. Our degrees differ in offering a much deeper access to field-based learning, both here in Cornwall, which is a great living arc of UK animal biodiversity, but also we take field courses all around the world. All of the field courses involve some systematic observation element where students will get experience actually trying to study animals scientifically in the field.
The great thing about the course here is the mix of the field work and of the class time as well, and because of where we are there is an opportunity to do a lot of field work, not just as part of the curriculum, but there's things that you can do outside the course as well, things that they offer to get work experience. It has a really strong research department, and that's one thing that drew me to Exeter University, and coming here as well it's evident because you can really see the passion.
You're learning from the same people that the rest of the world is.
One of the things I love about being a lecturer at the University of Exeter is that we are a research-led institute, which means that we're all active researchers and we bring our research into the classroom. We teach students about the things that we're finding out at this very minute in time, things that aren't published yet. We have a whole suite of different methods we use for teaching. There's the traditional lectures and tutorial systems, and then we also use the whole environment which is on our doorstep. We're also very fortunate that we have a whole suite of Macs that are now available to us together with iPads, and we can take those out into the field with us to use those in our practicals and in our field trips, and then come back into the lab to have a look at the material we've gathered. These new technologies are great. They don't replace the one-to-one contact that we like to have with our students, and that can be through the tutorial system or if a student needs a bit of help on a particular course.
You get first-hand experience of working in a research group at the university with a distinguished academic who are often world leaders in their particular fields, which is quite awe-inspiring. Cornwall is a brilliant place to study. I mean, it's amazing. Landscapes around here, you can go surfing, sea swimming.
It's a very sociable campus. I think because of its size, you do get to know people a lot more than possibly if it was a larger place. It's quite a sort of personal place to study at.
Being Director of Education doesn't prevent me from teaching, and I'm really enthusiastic about teaching I do. Our approach of combining theory in the classroom with hands-on practical experience is something that employers are really looking for, and our graduates are among the most sought after by employers. In the recent National Student Survey, the students themselves voted the Cornwall campus as the best place to study. It's a small campus, but it's part of a big university, so you get both sides of the experience, and it's actually in probably one of the most beautiful parts of the United Kingdom. There's lots of nightlife, and it's safe, easy to move around, and easy to get to your lectures.